Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be answering the question if you have to book shore excursions through the Carnival cruise line themselves. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so no, you don't have to book shore excursions through Carnival. Why? Carnival offers a wide range of excursions that you can conveniently book through their website or abroad or on board. You have other options as well. So we got three different options here. So you can use third-party tour operators. You can book excursions through independent tour operators. I've done this personally myself a few times, and these can sometimes offer similar or even unique experiences at a lower cost, so saving you money. You can also organize private tours, so you can arrange for private tours either through local companies or by directly contacting guides at your destination. This option allows for a more personalized experience than you would otherwise get with Carnival themselves. And the third option here, you can explore on your own. So exploring on your own, you can choose to explore the port independently without booking any formal excursions. Many ports have plenty of activities, sightseeing opportunities, and transportation options that you can arrange on your own. Booking through Carnival provides the benefit of convenience, guaranteed return to the ship on time, and assurance that the excursion has been vetted for safety. However, booking independently using one of these three options can offer more flexibility, unique experiences, and potential cost savings.